I've organized these tools into 5 intelligences, strengthening the capacities of the brain from the bottom up and the inside out. So somatic intelligence is simply body-based tools to return our nervous system, our body-brain, to our natural baseline physiological equilibrium, our inner sense of safety, our range of resilience. Emotional intelligence is managing our emotions, empathizing with and managing our reactions to other people's emotions. We'll learn to use tools of mindful self-compassion to be aware and allow and be with and bring compassion to negative emotions. And we'll learn to cultivate positive emotions to antidote the built-in negativity bias of the brain, to shift the functioning of the brain to more optimism and the big picture. In relational intelligence within, we're strengthening the practices of self-awareness, self-compassion, and self-acceptance. The biggest derailers of clients' resilience is when they doubt themselves. They don't trust themselves. They criticize themselves. They diminish themselves and their capacities.